Hello, Tinkles, and welcome back for another exploratory trip in Seoul. This time, we're hitting the water with Seoul's Ttukseom, a kayak, stand-up paddleboarding, windsurfing, and adventurous water sports company located in the Gwangjin district on the Han River. My team and I were scheduled for both a lesson and a guided paddleboard in the morning and a sunset kayak in the evening. So we hitched ourselves out and arrived early in the morning. First thing, we were given a lesson from Koa on the proper way to ride a paddleboard, safety measures, how to fall and stand, and more. Our guide spoke perfect English and was very kind, so everything was clear and we felt ready to conquer the boards.
Let's go to the water.
Immediately on the water, we were able to stand and paddle around.
Wow! So cool! Tobi님! Hello, city girl!
And with the help of our guide, we were soon pros. We did SUP yoga,
You just have to bend. Don't put your knees straight. Bending. Always have them bend. Yes! Woo!
were encouraged to wear plenty of sun protection,
Yeah.
and played in the water for most of the day.
Oh. It's not canoeing. I don't know what it is.
Around sunset, we pulled out our paddleboards and climbed into kayaks.
Can you
This
see them up
time,
there?
no instructions were needed, and we took off in pairs once again onto the Han River.
Sure.
Watching the sunset from the kayak was magical.
Oh.
There was a great view of Bate Tower, Namsan Tower,
Why?
and the various skyscrapers of Seoul as the sun set.
Bye bye. Okay, I want to bite. Let's go away.
All in all, it was a fantastic, safe, and well-organized day on the water. Only one of our team members died.
Are you okay? What happened?
Just kidding! Although many hours on the water was
that's so pretty.
tiring, it was so worth the time. The memories, views, experience, and bonding we shared will last a lifetime. We all definitely slept a good 12 hours after this, though.
again.
So if you're looking for a good adventure that reconnects you with nature but isn't far from the city, Zuri.koa was a fantastic opportunity to do just that. It's great for individuals, couples, and friends. For an entire day on the water, the prices were completely affordable, but for further details, look at the caption. Thanks again, and signing off.